Well, the ESTs are here. So we thought, who better to guide you than the people who actually teach you each and every day? So, we asked your professors to give their smartest tips during the exams. So, let's dive right in.
If you think your handwriting is not very good, you can use clear headings and bullet points to elaborate your answer rather than writing in paragraphs. Also, highlight the key important words if you can, and try not to overwrite the answers.
Read the question paper carefully. Make sure that start with a question which you are confident about and then move on to the least where you feel like you're very dicey about the question.
It's exam time, and I strongly believe that you should answer what is asked, not what you know. You should prioritize understanding the question first before attempting it.
So let's talk about the structure. That is very crucial part. So you can start your answer with the definition, and then you can go with the diagram, flow chart, explanation part, and you can conclude your answer with the clinical relevance. I think now this is all about your presentation. That is very, very important, how you present your answers.
You must reach to the venue before time, at least 20 minutes before. It will avoid any type of 11th hour chaos. And my next advice to you is fill all the information very, very correctly and carefully, be it on the answer sheet or on the OMR sheet.
So that was a mini crash course from the people who actually want you to win. All the very best for your ESTs. Stay calm, study smart. You've got this.